Nandito na ang biggest flex ng telebisyon.
Ang pinakabagong tagisan ng bilis, lakas at liksi.
Palakasan na ng utak, puso at katawan.
Oras na!
Game na?
Ito ang Sports Time.
Welcome back to Sports Time! Guys, nakita na natin ang first group of our semi-finalists in our previous episode.
Oo nga, napaka-intense talaga ng labanan nila. Pero feeling ko ngayon, Yani, mas mag-i-intense pa kasi isa na lang yung slot para sa finals.
Siyempre, itong semi-finals natin, there are 10 participants. We split them up into 2 groups for the last episode. And of course, dito na tayo sa second group in this one. But, siyempre, napaka-weird kasi yung dinagdag nating 2 obstacles, which we thought would be medyo madali para sa atin, baka sa inyo din, mga nanonood. Ito yung medyo disruptors sa obstacle course natin.
Oo nga, Yani, napansin ko talaga yung tumbang preso. Unlike all the other obstacles, it's a different kind of concentration, I guess, or different kind of technique. Siyempre, first half of the course, tumatakbo ka, umaakyat ka, tumatalon ka. Your heart is pumping talaga.
Right.
Pero when you get to the tumbang preso, you have to slow down, relax, and just throw it up there.
Right. Kailangan mag-focus, kailangan mag-calm down.
Oo.
After adrenaline-filled, the first few obstacles, dito talaga yung parang, you have to center your mind, Paeng.
Oo nga, tsaka kung na-notice mo, if you miss it the first time, dadami pa yung miss mo kasi napaka-stressful nun. Parang mas mapipressure ka lang din para makuha. Kaya kung hindi mo makuha the first time, huwag kang magmadali, relax, and take it slow.
Yes, take a breath ang ginagawa ng ating mga atleta in group number 1. We'll see how group number 2 does here in our semi-final round. Ayan, something to take note of, yung jump rope at yung tumbang preso.
Oo nga, but that is our opinion, not expert opinion yet. For the expert opinion, let's go to you, Dean Kiko.
Okay, thank you, Yani and Paeng. And welcome to another episode of our Sports Time reality obstacle course game. So we are joined by our resident analyst, Associate Professor Bert Madrigal from UPCHK. So Bert,
magandang araw po. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa mga nakarang episode at siguradong mag-enjoy kayo dito sa mga susunod.
tulad ng sabi ni Sir Bert, today's episode is the second semi-final round. Nakalipas ay nagkaroon tayo ng first qualifier sa ating championship round, which is Lucas from the men's tennis team. And right now we have a brand new set of 4 competitors. Paeng, let's hear it for your introduction para sa ating first competitor.
O Jess, semifinals na. Kamusta?
Kinakabahan pa rin, pero go.
Siya. Excited naman?
Yes. Let's go.
Sige, para sa mga nanonood sa bahay ngayon, may mensahe ka ba para sa akin?
Stay safe.
Para kanina yung run na to naman?
Pambawi sa medyo hindi kagandahang run ko last time. Pero yeah, laban.
Sige, good luck ha. Sana you'll have a great time.
Okay, so thank you Paeng sa inyong interview sa ating first competitor. Sir Bert, let's watch already the performance of Jess from the UP Filipiniana Dance Troupe.
Swing.
Pero si Jess, very lightweight, ano? Makikita mo yung build niya, very light ang kanyang frame.
Partial dips.
Okay.
Jump para sa first repetition niya.
Pati sa kanyang chin-up bars, it looks like there's going to be a couple of violations for the attempt of Jess, no? So, hihintayin lang natin and we'll see what the officials will say later, no?
Mabilis yung initial transition niya, pero yung quality, technique niya, yung
Okay, going through the tire segment of alternating tires, and now the added obstacle, which is the jump rope. So, kailangan ulitin mo yan, no? Looks like he's going to be post some violations there.
ang nagpapabagal sa kanya na time.
Kita mo, Sir Bert, yung kanyang paghawak sa jump rope ay mali. That contributed to his difficulty in swinging the ropes, no? Mabilis yung kanyang time doon. At least, yung tumbang preso component.
Technique niya, mababang.
Correct. Maganda yung flip toss at mababang lang from the ground. Okay, going to the last segment, which is the Palo Cebo climb. Walang problema. But not as fast, no? Pero gently moving up the bar.
Competitors, pero maganda yung
Okay, let's hear it from Yanni. Short interview sa ating first semifinals competitor na si Jess.
Okay, Jess, catch your breath. Hinga, 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 hinga. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Ano naman yung naging reflection mo sa performance mo? Medyo natagalan tayo sa jump rope, pero overall, ano yung feeling mo?
May nadagdag na track, so medyo mas challenging, well, semis, pero yeah, lumaban.
Lumaban nga. Anong part of the track yung medyo na-shock ka? Sabi mo nga may nadagdagan.
Siguro sa jumping rope, surprisingly, parang masyado kong na-take time yung talon, kaya hindi nagka-coordinate.
Pero hindi lang naman yung ikaw yung nahirapan, madami din nahirapan sa ating bagong semifinals track. But let's see if that is enough for you to get into the finals. Congratulations, Jess.
Salamat, Yanni, sa iyong maiksing panayam kay Jess, no? So, Sir Bert, ang official time ng ating first semifinals competitor ay 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So, mabagal kasi naka-incorporate na dito yung nabanggit natin na 3 violations earlier, which accounted to additional 9 seconds. Punta na tayo, Sir Bert, sa pagpapakilala ni Paeng para sa ating second participant.
Okay, semifinals na. Kumusta?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman. Excited? Nervous? Ano?
Nervous.
Nervous. Okay, nervous. So, para sa mga nanonood sa bahay ngayon, ano yung message mo para sa kanila?
Hello po.
O, para kanino yung run na to? May dedication ba?
Wala po, for myself.
For yourself. Sige, good luck, EJ, ha? Sana you have a great time.
Salamat, Paeng, para sa pagpapakilala sa ating second competitor na si EJ from the UP Men's Baseball Team. So, Sir Bert, tutunghayan na natin ang attempt ni EJ.
sa mga previous competitors, parang magagaling yung galing baseball.
Correct, no?
Hindi,
Nakita natin, very balanced ang kanilang attempt sa mga obstacle course, no? Meron silang right amount of speed and power per obstacle. So, wala masyadong problema sa chin-up bars natin.
partial
In fact, I think that it's not no partial movement there account for a violation. No? But again, with finality, we will see that later. So, nakikita natin ngayon ang attempt niya sa abdominal crunches. Double free siya dito. Okay, transitioning to the standard Pico and alternating tires. Wala rin problema, well coordinated. Ang high-hand coordination nyo doon. Okay, ang ating bagong obstacle, jump rope. At least ito, trouble-free. Hindi katulad ni Jess kanina mula sa Filipiniana. Okay, tire section, walang problema. Tignan natin yung kanyang tumbang preso skills. So, nagtatagal, no? Natatandaan natin, ito yung key para sa mabilis na time ay the least possible attempt sana dito sa tumbang preso. No? Okay, balance beam walk, cleared.
Medyo nalikot siya after ng balance beam niya.
So, once again, EJ is now performing his last obstacle, which is the Palo Cebo climb. And finished. So, let's hear it from Yanni for a short interview with EJ from the UP Men's Baseball.
Okay, EJ, ayan na nga. Smooth start for you dito sa semifinal round. Pero saan ka ba medyo nahirapan or na-challenge sa ating mga bagong obstacles or baka sa mga dati rin?
Yung ano po, I guess yung lata.
Anong lata?
Ang hirap niyang patayuin.
Ah, okay. Parang mga 4 to 5 tries ka sa lata, no, bago tumayo. Ano yung naging deciding point mo na ibahin yung strategy pagdating sa lata?
Parang ano lang, one flip lang. Mababa.
Ah.
Mas mababa para tumayo agad.
Okay, okay. So ayun na nga, despite that, we'll see nga if you will be able to go into the final round. But congratulations on your semifinals run, EJ.
Okay, so salamat Yanni sa iyong interview kay EJ. Sir Bert, the official time of EJ was 2 minutes and 12 seconds, no?
Mas mabilis.
It would have been faster, pero meron siyang 3 violations din, kaya plus 9 seconds. Sana under 2 minutes yung kanyang attempt doon sa round na yun. No? Ngayon no, ay babalik tayo kay Paeng para ating makilala ang ating susunod na kalahok sa ating second semifinal round.
Christian, semifinals, ano masasabi mo?
Unexpected, tsaka kakayanin pa din yung mga obstacles ngayon.
Grabe, napaka-humble naman, unexpected. Sige, excited, nervous, ano nararamdaman mo?
Halong excitement and syempre nervous kasi yung iba parang medyo alanganin pa.
Okay, okay. Sige, para sa mga nanonood sa bahay ngayon, may message ka ba para sa kanila?
Continue to support us mga athletes kasi andito kami na nag-eensayo para itayo yung bandera ng Philippines or ng university sa iba't ibang larangan ng sports.
Oh, great. Oh, sige, last na. Para sa run na to, kanino mo i-dedicate to?
Dinededicate ko din to especially para sa bayan and para sa mga athletes na din, yun nga, para dumami pa yung mga suporta and yung support sa mga athletes natin.
Oh, sige, salamat Christian and I hope you have a great night.
Okay, so salamat Paeng para sa inyong introduction ng ating third competitor, si Christian from the UP Filipiniana Dance Troupe. So Sir Bert, kung ngayon na natin ang performance ni Christian.
Nag-improve yung form niya kumpara din sa initial try niya dyan sa monkey bars.
Okay, so makikita natin once again ano magiging effect nito sa kanyang total elapsed time pagdating sa dulo. No?
Makikita natin yung maturity nila sa events, ano? Yung first games nila, saan sila nag-enjoy, saan sleeping form.
So definitely, nakikita natin na natututo yung mga athletes natin sa kanilang mga unang kamalian. No? And now, are now making the necessary adjustments to be able to score faster times. No?
At yun yung tinuturo natin sa mga sila. Kahit anong challenges, kung nagkaroon, nakaba sila, ayaw nila bumangon.
Correct, correct. part of resiliency building, ika nga, sa ating mga student athletes. No? So, his attempt in his skipping rope, walang problema. Okay, shortcut na rin yung ating tires and rope climb. Okay, ayan, counting difficulty. Okay, 3 attempts bago na clear yung tumbang preso obstacle. Okay, dinaanan lang easily yung balance beam. So, kitang-kita natin yung poise and dexterity ng ating Filipiniana athlete.
Kaya yung efficiency improvement na para sa ito. Yung technique ito.
Hala, sabi ka.
Yung sa pwedeng ginawang technique.
Okay, so let's hear it kay Yani para sa mixing interview with Christian.
Ayan, hello Christian. Grabe, parang hindi ka napagod.
Actually, pagod din.
Pagod din, pagod din. Okay, sa semi-final round, siyempre mga dagdag tayo na obstacles. Nahirapan ka ba dun sa dagdag natin or more of the older ones ka na challenge?
Actually, sa mga older pa din kasi parang medyo kunyulang pa sa practice and exercise.
Okay, so anong specifically sa ating obstacle course yung medyo na-shock ka?
Sa pull-ups pa din.
Okay.
Strength.
Sa strength part. Pero medyo mabilis din yung run mo, pero tignan natin mamaya kung makapasok ka sa final round. Thank you very much!
Okay, so salamat, Yani and Christian. So Sir Bert, the official time of Christian in this attempt was 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So far, sa tatlong nakalipas, siya ang pinakamabilis. So, we'll see if the last 2 competitors in today's episode will be better. So, punta tayo sa iyo ngayon, Paeng, para sa pagpapakilala ng ating 4th semifinalist for today's episode.
Denzel, welcome to the semifinals. How are you feeling?
I'm okay. Feeling a bit actually excited. A bit nervous.
Okay, for the viewers at home, do you have any special message for them?
I love you. Stay strong. God bless you.
Yun. And of course, the semifinals run, who are you dedicating it for?
Oh, I'm dedicating it to my friends over there. I don't know if you can pat the camera, but they're over there. Woo! Like, Yulo.
With other athletes?
Oh, no, just Yulo and Lucas. I love them.
Okay, great. So, good luck again in your run and I hope you have a great time.
Okay, so salamat Paeng sa iyong pagpapakilala para sa ating next competitor, si Denzel mula sa UP Men's Swim Team. So Sir Bert, tumayan na natin ang performance si Denzel.
Parang start na sa swimming.
Parang off the diving block. Alright, the monkey bars, double 3, taking each and every bar with some ease. Wala rin problema sa tricep dips. Kaya-kaya niya yung body weight niya. Even in the chin-up bars or pull-up bars, double 3. Very, very distinct yung upper body strength ng mga swimmers natin. Ano, Sir Bert?
Yeah, correct. Yung sport kasi nila well-balanced in leg at saka hip at saka shoulder movement. Kaya pinapakita din sa competition na to yung kagalingan niya sa lahat ng events. Pero makikita natin mamaya dun sa anuhan kung
So again, natutunghayan natin sa semi-final round, merong added element yung luck doon sa paglalaro ng tumbang preso obstacle. No? So walang problema. Isang skip rope, diretso, papunta sa rope section ng wall climb. Okay. Descending sa tires. Tumalin nyo na. First attempt. Second attempt. Third attempt. Successful. So, relatively Pare-pareho silang mga nakalipas. At siya, tatlong attempt bago napapatayo yung tumbang presong obstacle. No?
Recently, sa mga naman ng episode, siya yata yung nanalo niya.
Correct, correct.
Yung team niya dito sa semifinals.
Nice!
Right. Last obstacle, cleared by Denzel successfully. So, thank you, Denzel. Let's hear it from you, Yanni and Denzel, for a short interview.
Okay.
Hello, Yanni.
Hello, Denzel. Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, catch your breath, catch your breath. So what did you think about your performance? A lot of people had the challenge with the can, but you did it around 3 tries. What was your overall feeling about yourself?
You want me to describe it with an adjective?
Yes.
It's like your middle name. Harder.
So ano naging performance mo? What was your assessment?
Oh, it really depends on the time. I don't know. But it felt nice. I think there's a little bit of bumps. But it felt nice.
Good.
I thought I would have choked in the jump rope.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't. Just good.
Okay, that's good. And we'll see if you'll get to the finals part. But congratulations on your run here in the semifinals.
Thank you.
Okay, Sir Bert. So, thank you, Yanni and Denzel. Yung attempt ni Denzel, Sir Bert, lumalabas, pinakamabilis na attempt so far after 4 competitors. Ang kanyang official time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Tignan natin kung yung ating last competitor ay kaya itong mas mabilisan pa. Okay? So, Paeng, we go to you for the introduction of our last competitor.
Welcome back, Ram, especially to the semifinals round. Kamusta? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great naman po. And confident naman po ako ngayon na mag-take po ng obstacle.
Excited? Nervous?
I'm feeling excited po.
Okay, great. Sige, para sa mga nanonood ngayon, ano yung mensahe mo para sa kanila?
Sa mga nanonood sa akin ngayon, panoorin niyo talaga ako kasi ito yung pinaka-the best ko na.
The best mo na may finals pa if ever. Pero sige, para kanino yung run na to? May dedication ka ba ngayon? Or shout out?
Shout out sa mama ko. Baka namimiss mo na ako, hindi pa ako nauwi.
Sige, Ram. Good luck and sana you have a great time here.
Thank you, Paeng, para sa pagpapakilala sa ating last competitor ng ating second semi-final round episode. No? So, punta na tayo diretso, Sir Bert, at patungayan na natin ang performance ni Ram mula sa UP Baseball.
Si Ram, maganda yung performance sa nauna, di ba?
Correct. Bilis siya. Bilis yung mga elapsed time nila before.
Yung second baseball player para sa hit nito.
Little confusion doon sa transition phase niya. So dito, mula sa tricep dip, hindi dumiretso agad sa chinning bar.
Pagbagal ng time niya.
So far, ang best time natin para sa episode na to ay yung swimmer natin, no? Si Denzel. So tignan natin itong attempt ni Ram kung magiging mas mabilis ba ito sa attempt ni Denzel or hindi. So walang problema sa coordination movements na kinakailangan sa piko at sa alternating tires. Punta ngayon tayo sa bagong obstacle, the skip rope. Okay, 5 attempts, cleared easily by Ram. And then sa vertical wall, trouble free, doon sa tires. At sa rope. Ngayon, taking his time sa ating third flip. Ganun pa rin, no? After 3 attempts, yun lang yung successful flip na tumayo yung lata. So talaga yung tumbang preso obstacle natin poses some challenges to our competitors.
So, masasabi natin na kailangan mo rin ng luck.
Correct. Okay, so there you go. Ram finished his last obstacle, and we'll now have a short interview by Yanni.
Okay, hinga. Okay, Ram, yan yung semi-finals run mo. Ano sa tingin mo, yung feeling mo about your performance? Mukhang smooth naman the whole time, pero for you, what was your reflection sa naging performance mo?
Medyo na-off lang po ako ng konti sa time kasi nakalimutan ko po yung yung bars yung pull up. So parang feeling ko po medyo bumagal ako kaysa nung last
na run mo. Okay. Pero ngayon, ano yung medyo na challenge ka kasi meron tayong dagdag na obstacles for the semifinals. Yung mga dagdag ba medyo nahirapan ka or hindi naman?
Yung mga nadagdag naman po, hindi naman po ako nahirapan. Dito lang po talaga lagi ako sa pole. Lagi po ako nahihirapan kasi.
Okay. Sa dulo na.
Sa dulo na po.
Okay, Ram, tignan natin if yung oras mo ngayon is enough to get you to the final round.
Okay, thank you, Yanni. So, Sir Bert, yung last competitor natin, Ram from the baseball team, his official time is 2 minutes and 11 seconds. So, because of that, the second semi-finalist competitors, ang pinakamabilis natin na qualifier ay si Denzel mula sa ating UP Swim team, no? So, your thoughts on that, Sir Bert?
Well, makikita natin yung mga times na binibigay ng mga athlete natin, magkakalapit na ngayon.
Okay.
Diba? Number 1 yan, magkakalapit. Makikita natin yung role na piniplay ng strength, ng speed, ng fluidity ng movement. At saka yung mabilis na transition time para manalo. Pero, hindi lang puro physical. Merong isang component na nadagdag. Ito yung manuhan sa
tumbang preso.
Ito naman yung nagbibigay ng luck.
Okay. So, a sense of luck and sometimes a measure of relaxedness when you do that, when you flip the lata, ay may involve. So, it gives a different dimension, no? Dun sa obstacle sa ginagawa natin. And because of that, nakita ho natin ang ating successful second championship competitor ay mula sa men's swimming team. Back to you, Yanni and Paeng.
And that is it for our semi-final round dito sa Sports Time. Paeng, grabe talaga. I'm glad to see the level of strategies, of athletics that our athletes displayed here in our semi-final round.
And I think, Yanni, tama rin yung call natin sa start ng episode na to. Na kailangan talaga gawin ng athletes ay mag-relax at mag-breather muna before yung tubang preso. We saw in this episode na we had strong competitors coming in, pero dahil sa dalawang dagdag natin na obstacle, wala na po sila sa ating competition. Kaya dapat sa finals, mas mag-ingat. So Yanni, magpapaalam na ba tayo sa lahat ng atleta natin na hindi makapasok sa finals ngayon?
Oh, guys! I'm so sorry but thank you all for your participation dito sa obstacle course natin. But we want to congratulate our 2 athletes from our semi-final round na nakapasok to our final round. That is Denzel and Lucas. Congratulations!
Ba't ka nagpapaalam na, Yanni? Hindi ata nila alam na may wildcard round pa pala tayo for the finals.
Oh my goodness, oo nga pala.
Yes, so yung eliminated already here in the semifinals, of course, will be given another chance to qualify for the finals. Are you excited to see that, Yanni?
I'm really excited. Ayun na nga, meron silang second chance here in our obstacle course race when we go to our next episode.
Dito sa
It's sports time!